Can CBD oil help with pain management? Just how effective is CBD oil for pain management? In this video, we're going to go all in and give you an unbiased overview of how CBD oil can help people suffering from long-term pain. Living with pain is a constant struggle. For many people, it's nothing short of a living hell. Thankfully, people suffering from pain-related issues can find relief in CBD oil. CBD oil for pain is by far one of the most effective natural remedies for symptomatic pain relief. Traditional painkillers can cause stomach and kidney problems in the elderly. In that sense, CBD oil can prove to be a helpful natural remedy for these groups of people and help them avoid unwanted side effects. Suffer from arthritis and want quick relief? Well, looking into CBD oil as pain medication might be a smart move. Tons of arthritic patients report seeing positive results after applying CBD oil ointments on their achy joints. Not only that, CBD oil is also known to show beneficial results for people suffering from acute migraines. Back pain is another area where CBD oil can potentially offer people relief. Anyone with back pain experience will tell you just how unbearable the pain can feel at times. It hurts when you lie down, it hurts when you turn sides, and it hurts when you try to stay standing. In such cases, CBD oil can be an absolute lifesaver for back pain patients and help them overcome that crippling sense of powerlessness. Because of the remarkable anti-inflammatory and pain-killing attributes of CBD oil, it can prove to be extremely beneficial in the treatment of sciatica patients and help them better manage their symptoms. Let's find out just how this pain-killing assassin actually helps us better manage our pain. Our body has this system called the endocannabinoid system. Your endocannabinoid system is responsible for regulating pain sensation. What CBD does is, it targets the endocannabinoid system and modulates its activity. And in doing so, CBD essentially acts as an analgesic and numbs your pain. Plus, CBD oil also has antioxidant properties and can help reduce body inflammation. The specific mechanism action of exogenously administered CBD oil is still under investigation. Wondering about how to use CBD oil? CBD oil is starting to become a mainstream solution for pain management. You can either apply CBD oil topically on the skin, or you can take CBD oil drops by placing them in your mouth. And in case you were wondering, CBD oil is not addictive and will not make you high either. There are some common concerns that people have about CBD oil, like: can CBD help to relieve neuropathic pain? This particular pain occurs when nerves get damaged. Neuropathic pain is associated with diseases and conditions like multiple sclerosis, herniated discs, shingles, etc. A 2017 review states that CBD does reduce pain associated with neuropathy in humans. However, more research and reviews are required to understand the effects of CBD on neuropathic pain. Is CBD oil legal? There's no need for you to worry about the legality of CBD oil. It's completely legal in all 50 states of the US. But state laws may vary. Is CBD oil for everyone? Well, no. You should refrain from using CBD oil if you're a pregnant mother. Anyhow, if you're serious about wanting to explore the pain relief properties of CBD oil, then you're in the right place. After extensive research, we've come across a blend of full-spectrum CBD oil that works exceptionally well. What does full-spectrum CBD oil actually mean? Full-spectrum basically means that it contains numerous cannabinoids that work together to offer various health benefits. In full-spectrum CBD oil, all naturally occurring cannabinoids and terpenes are preserved. Most other CBD oil companies often make use of CBD isolates. CBD oil isolates make use of chemical extraction process, and because of this, the beneficial terpenoids and cannabinoids are lost. Certified CBD oil droplets can help you better deal with your pain and give you the pain relief you deserve. You can learn more about the product in the pinned comment below. If you choose to buy from our custom link, you can get the product at a special internet-only price. And thank you so much for watching.